Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Excuse me, listen here. So how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So we always record our video because we want to learn English. And I want to say guys, you if you are a beginner, so this video is very helpful for you as well. Oh, excuse me, what is this? Oh my goodness. So today I want to explain about this park, like flowers, like this is the fountain. Okay. So let me tell you guys about this fountain. So come on, come maybe. This is, guys, we practice every day. Do you know why? Because we want to improve our English. We want to improve our communication skills. That's why we are making video every day. So let me tell you, explain about this fountain, guys. So this is the fountain. It has been middle of this park. You can see this is the whole park, and it has been made in the middle of this park. So I would say it is not working condition. It need to be repaired. It has been long time. I would say it is not working condition. So guys, I want to show you beautiful things. Not beautiful things. I want to show you another things. I want to explain. Excuse me. Come on. So as you can see, guys, there are many lights around this park has been put around this park. But I think it is not in working condition. Yes, guys, yeah, really. Believe me. So I would say it needs to be repaired. It has been maybe long time. I have no idea. We come every day here. And hello guys, so I want to say we come every day. I have mentioned it many times these things, so I don't need to mention again. So it is a very beautiful park, guys, and many people come with his family, with other friends. So they every day come, some spend some time, some spend some gala time. Every day we also come in the evening time, and we always record our video. We always try to explain many things about this park. Guys, are you listening? Are you listening me? Yes. So, what do you think, guys? It is a good way to improve our speaking English. Yeah, it is a good way. I think we are not able to speak. Sorry, I was not able to speak earlier, but you can see, guys. Now I am able to speak. Yes, guys. I know I make some mistakes some times, but it doesn't matter, guys. If you don't practice, then you are not going to improve. So I would say, hello guys, I would say, please practice every day so you can improve your English as well. So thank you guys for listening me. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.